Hi, my name is Mary Collen and this is your short yoga break at your desk. So we're just going to find some gentle movements and twists to loosen you up so you can continue with your workday. Let's get started. Maybe you want to get rid of your shoes, and if not, that's totally fine too. Place your feet hip-width distance underneath your knees and plant your hands on top of your desk. And you may close your eyes or find a soft gaze in front of you. Notice your feet connecting with the floor below you. Option to grip your toes into the ground. Take a breath in to feel the foundation. Soft exhale through your mouth. Draw awareness to your hands on your desk. Spread your fingers wide. Breathe in, put some gentle pressure into your desk with your palms. Lift your heart. As you softly exhale through your mouth, loop your shoulders away from your ears. Flutter your eyes open. We're starting with head rolls, so just tilt your head forward first and roll from one side to the other. Any of the options, just keep your hands on your desk to help you stay straight in your spine. At any time, keep pulling your navel in. Come back to center with your head, tilt back and roll from one side to the other again. Come back to center. Now lift your shoulders, use the pressure of your palms and your desk, and then roll them away from your ears down your back. And let's do this a few more times. You can find your own speed, whatever you need. And let's switch direction. Awesome. Interlace your fingers. Place your hands behind your head. Open your elbows wide. Take breath in. Exhale, gently pull your chin forward toward your chest. Option to hunch forward as well. Pull your belly in as you do so. Gives you a nice stretch in the back of your neck and your back as well. Breathe in, come back up. Exhale, hands underneath your chin just like that. Breathe in, lift up through your sternum. Exhale, tilt your head back, lean back, melt your shoulders down. This helps you to open up the front line of your body. Breathe in, come back to center. Exhale, place your right hand down. Take a breath in, lift up your left arm, reach high. Exhale, lateral stretch to your right, lean over. Press down through your left hip to counterbalance. Pull your belly button in and keep your shoulders soft. Breathe in, bring your left arm back up. Exhale, half bind, and you go as far as feels good for you. Maybe it's just right here, or you can go around a little more, whatever you need. Breathe in, roll your shoulders up and back. Exhale, twist to your left, and you have the option to use your right arm to assist with your twist. Keep your hip bones facing toward your desk, and let the twist come from your core. Imagine there's a string attached to the crown of your head, lifting you up. And slowly unravel your left arm, maybe shake it out. Beautiful. Plant your left hand down. Take a breath in, reach your right arm up. Exhale, lateral stretch to your left side, lean over. Anchor down your right hip. Snap your belly in. Melt your shoulders down. Breathe in, bring your right arm back up. Exhale, half bind. Again, you choose whatever feels good here. Maybe you can go around a little more. Breathe in, roll your shoulders up and down. Exhale, twist to your right. Option to use your left arm to assist with your twist. As you do so, keep your hip bones facing toward your desk. And imagine there's a string attached to the crown of your head, pulling you up as you twist to your right side. Slowly untangle your right arm, maybe shake out your arms again. Now place your elbows onto your desk and bring your palms together. If you want, you can press your hip bones back. And maybe you also already feel a stretch in your upper back, just like that. If the space allows it, maybe you can go back a little more and find a puppy variation on your desk to open up your shoulders, your chest. As you do so, keep your navel pulled in, please, and your neck muscles soft. Slowly guide yourself back up. Bring one leg up, squeeze it in, and just roll out your whatever hip it is. In my case, it's my right. And the other direction. Let's do this with our foot as well. And the other direction. Let's find figure four. Place your foot on top of your other leg. Flex your toes. And you can just face your desk. Breathe in, lift up through your heart. Exhale, lean a little forward. An option to bring your elbow on top of your lifted knee and just lounge here and just feel the stretch in your hip. Just hanging out here. And slowly come back up. Bring your leg down. Now squeeze the other leg in. And then roll out to one side. All the sitting is making our hips so tight. And now the other direction. And let's do that on our foot as well. If you do so, keep squeezing your leg in. And other direction again. Yep, and let's embrace figure four again, seated. Flex your toes, please. Breathe in, lift up your heart. Exhale, lean forward. Option again to bring your elbow on top of your lifted knee. And just lounging here and having fun. Taking care of your hips. And come back up. Let's do one more breath in. Reach both arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Thank you, self, for giving yourself a short yoga break at your desk. Namaste.